This is the unofficial guide, a retrieval augmented generation system for student perspectives on UC Berkeley freshman housing and dining. The repository contains 12 traceable public discussion notes. The ingestion pipeline cleans and parses their metadata, then creates 72 paragraph-aware chunks. All mini LML6v2 runs locally to create normalized embeddings, and ChromaDB stores those vectors with source metadata. A query retrieves the top 5 chunks, then either Grok or the fully local extractive fallback answers only from that evidence. Citations and source names are added programmatically. The first demonstration is a strong housing query. The question asks about the trade-off between Blackwell and Unit 1. The top chunk scores 0.7534, with a cosine distance of 0.2466. It directly states that Blackwell is newer and more comfortable, while Unit 1 is more associated with communal floors and spontaneous social interaction. The response cites the exact document identifier, and the source panel lists every supporting discussion. This is a good retrieval because the highest ranked chunk contains both sides of the comparison in one self-contained observation. The second successful query asks for specific Café 3 complaints. Retrieval returns concrete evidence about dry fish, rice that was sometimes not fully cooked, repetition, and inconsistency. The answer also preserves disagreement by noting that another part of the source praises soul food meals. That matters because the corpus contains subjective experiences, not verified institutional facts. The evaluation marks this answer accurate, and the highest similarity score is 0.7631. Again, every selected sentence is traceable to a bracketed document identifier and a visible source title. The third query tests grounding rather than recall. Parking permits are outside the housing and dining corpus. The best retrieved score is only 0.2295, below the production relevance threshold of 0.28. The pipeline therefore declines before generation and explicitly reports that there are no supporting sources. This prevents a fluent model from inventing a plausible permit policy or current price. The refusal behavior is covered by automated tests and was also verified through the command line interface. This is the required honest failure. Retrieval works, it finds conflicting Café 3 views, a preference for Crossroads and Foothill, different reviewer baselines, and praise for Clark Kerr. The deterministic fallback then extracts those sentences, but it does not synthesize the explicit conclusion that there is no overall consensus. The evaluation therefore marks the answer partially accurate. This is a generation and contradiction synthesis limitation, not a missing evidence problem. A future improvement would use contradiction-aware synthesis, while retaining the same citation validation and relevance gate. The final evaluation has 3 accurate results and 2 partially accurate results. The Clark Kerr answer covers larger rooms and the longer walk but misses the sports facility advantage. The best overall dining answer misses the explicit no consensus conclusion. The repository includes every expected answer, complete system response, all 5 retrieved chunks, scores, and written analysis. 24 automated tests pass, RUF reports no lint errors, and PIP reports no broken dependencies. The planning specification, source notes, command line interface, evaluation artifacts, demo script, and milestone commit history are all included so another developer can reproduce and extend the project.